Artificial intelligence is being referenced everywhere. It's like the word stuff. Can you get me that stuff? Stuff could mean anything. It's so generic. We use artificial intelligence the same way for everything from an in-home speaker to a robot that does the dances. So let us fix that. Three things. First, what actually AI is. Second, the two ways to classify it, a practical and an official way. Third, where AI is genuinely strong today and where it is not. Now, what is artificial intelligence? Think of a tree. The trunk is computer science. Everything about getting computers to do work. AI is a big branch growing of that trunk. The part focused on getting computers to do things that normally need human thinking, reasoning, learning from experience, understanding and acting like doing tasks. And AI isn't a single line. It splits into more branches. Now, follow the AI branch out. First up is machine learning. Algorithms trained on massive data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions. Machine learning splits two ways, one by technique and other by purpose. The technique side is deep learning, multi-layer neural networks that handle complex data like text and images. Today's generative AI runs on this. The purpose side is practical split. The lens I find most useful, generative AI versus predictive AI. Generative AI creates new content based on what the large language models were trained on. That's what you want for the creative side, entertainment and thought-provoking work. Predictive AI predicts from historic data. As the name says, no hallucination, just past data. That's what you want in scientific, engineering and medical work. We don't want guesswork. Generative is the art, predictive is the science, and we need both. And then one last branch, the appendix, the applications branch. Natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics comes under this applications branch. Each one combines whatever we just covered to reach into the real world. So that's the map and the practical way to classify AI. If you're looking for the official categorization, artificial intelligence has three categories. Artificial narrow intelligence, also called weak AI, despite the name, is the most predictable AI. Chess engines, language translation, reading medical x-rays. It works one narrow domain with all its intelligence concentrated there, so it performs really well. Artificial general intelligence, AGI, strong AI. Here is my honest take. We are not actually there yet. Real AGI would match a human across any domain, learn it, reason about it, apply it the way a person does, or at least the way some people do. What we have got today is more of a jack of all trades, master of none. Genuinely impressive, but not the real thing, not yet. Now, the third one, ASI, artificial super intelligence, a hypothetical future level where the machine surpasses the brightest human minds in every aspect: creativity, wisdom, consciousness, problem solving. At that point, humans are dummies before artificial intelligence. That's the classifications. Now, the third thing, where AI is actually strong today, I map it to the 5 human senses plus one more. We will get to it. So far, AI is strongest at sight and sound, and those are still evolving. Touch is getting there through robotics. Taste and smell are barely getting started. There is early research on digital noses that sniff chemicals, but nothing close to what living things do. Then there is the thing that's still the domain of living organisms, thinking. Thinking varies by species. With our combined advantages of physical structure, mobility, brain size, and tool usage, humans are at the top. Whales have the largest brain on Earth, and dolphins show striking social and emotional intelligence, but they don't use tools and can't work outside of water. That's a philosophical topic for another day. The three things we covered: 1. What is AI? The branch of computer science that gets machines to do things needing human thinking. 2. The two ways to classify it: the practical generative versus predictive split, and the official ladder, which is artificial narrow intelligence to artificial general intelligence to artificial super intelligence. 3. Where it is strong: sight and sound, smell, that is perceiving the vision and also the sound, taste, smell, and true reasoning still ahead. Next time someone throws around the word AI, you know what exactly which part they mean. Predictive AI, generative AI, artificial narrow intelligence, artificial super intelligence, artificial general intelligence. One last thought: of everything AI still can do, the gap that matters most is common sense. It can generate, predict, see, and hear, but it still misses the judgments a child gets right. Keep that gap in mind every time you hand it a decision. Thank you.